So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen and I'm gonna come over here. And right now you can access this. Let me go ahead and refresh this. We are making changes on the fly with this, guys. Okay. But you can see that you can come into the newsletter hustle. Okay. So for me, I'm inside the mastermind. But if you're inside the local newsletter hustle, you'll see this icon here. You'll click it. It'll take you over here. And what I want you guys to do right now is go ahead and click on this icon right here. And you're going to see that we have started a social community. And what I would love for you guys to do, and like I said, this is going to be the base that leads into our mobile app. Okay, so we got to have the base here. And then what happens is we send endpoints to the mobile team. And they're building an app called Flutter that is going to work for both Apple as well as Android. So you won't even need like a separate thing, right? So what I would like you guys to do is log into either the Entourage Mastermind and click on Local Newsletter Hustle, or if you're already a part of Local Newsletter Hustle, come on in here, click this icon right here, and just go ahead and make a post. You can click on, you can see the topics that we're creating here. This bar will go away, by the way. We'll just have it to where you can scroll this way. But I want you to go ahead and click on Introduce Yourself. And you can see I already made an introduction here. And I would just like for you guys to go and make an introduction really quick if you would do that for me. Can you guys do that? And the way you'll do that is if you're not on the phone, you'll click on Create Post. You might need to refresh it, by the way. And then you come over here, you type your title, you type your description, and then this is how you would choose your topic. Okay? We don't have it where you can load the image or video yet. Don't worry about it. It's coming. All I wanted to see was, is the format friendly? Do we understand what's going on? Does it make sense? Let me say it again. Look, I'm inside the Entourage pod. So what you want to do is go down to Local Newsletter Hustle, okay? And then you'll see this icon. You'll see a house, you'll see a hat, or you'll see these people. So this will update in real time, guys, but we're just getting started right now. All right, yeah. So Courtney says, hey, howdy, local newsletter, CourseSprout is freaking awesome. I'll say thanks, buddy. Okay, so there we go, Kelvin Brown. So you guys can see what's happening here with this, right? Thanks, Kelvin. So everything that you can do inside of Facebook, guys, expect that to happen over here. Expect to see notifications. This is member notifications, like from the course. But what we're going to do is we're going to give you course notifications. We're going to give you the community notifications, or we're going to give you admin notifications so that you don't miss us, right? And we don't let you add a topic. That's something that admin does. So just go ahead and choose a topic, or just go ahead and put it under general, okay? And then you can go ahead and do that. Now, here's the good news, guys. How many of you are looking at this right now, especially mastermind members? How many of you are looking at this saying, holy smokes? So you're saying that I'm going to be able to add a social community to my CourseSprouts? And the answer is yes. You could actually do it right now if you wanted to.